guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Today I have a really interesting video for you guys. So a couple of days back I went to Sephora and I bought a bunch of makeup products. So I did a lot of swatches and opening up the products and showing the products on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you definitely should follow me there because a lot of action happens over there. So when I went to Sephora, I bought this palette as well. It's the Prism Anastasia palette. So this is the limited edition palette. It has this velvet black material all over the palette, and it also has a sophisticated gold detailings to it that I'm like, ooh, I'm literally gagging over this palette. And you have like various range of colors. There are a lot of shimmers in this palette, but also you have some good ranges of matte to create your natural look and as well to put them on your crease. I don't know, the colors are really vibrant and fun to play around with. I feel like they're so beautiful and they're really pigmented. I have not played with this palette as yet. I only did some swatches on Instagram, and today I am ready to swatch it and give you guys a review on how vibrant these colors are. This video is going to be kind of like a review plus a challenge where I'm going to be applying all the colors in my eyes. I hope you guys are excited for this video as much as I am, and let's get into it. I'm kind of nervous with this challenge though. Ooh, it's going to be tough. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this Eden over here in a blending brush, and I'm going to kind of apply that all over the eyes. This color kind of reminds me of the shade Peaches from MAC Cosmetics. The blush is a really pretty color. Very beautiful. Ooh, I like it already. So this color really blended out pretty easily. Let's see how the others goes. What should we use next? Osiris? Osiris? Oh, I feel like I'm really killing that name hardcore. So I'm gonna take this shade right over here and I'm applying that with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I want to put this color in the outer corner of my eyes. Well, the first impression I feel that I get from this particular shade is that I feel like it's not placing very easily. When I swatched this color on Instagram, it went out really nicely, but with the brush, I feel like it's not really packing in the true colors. So I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so now that color is nicely placed over there, it took me a second to apply that shade. Let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna be applying Throne over here. This is very pretty color. I really am crazy about this color. It's green, but if you look at it in a certain angle, it looks purplish yet like black almost. Like that is how the color looks. It's so pigmented, but let's see how well it applies with the brush. So I'm applying that closest to the first shade that I've applied. Well, this color definitely applies like a dream on a brush. No doubt about that. I feel like the green blends in so beautifully with the first shade that I've applied. So this makes me so happy that that color blends out really well. Okay, so let's move on, you guys. I'm gonna take this beautiful gold shade over here named Pyramid. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's see how well that works out with the brush. I feel like this gold is gonna be perfect to go with the green. This color definitely applies really well with the brush as well. No complaining so far. Gonna take a small blending tapered brush and blend the gold and the green out together so there are no crazy harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking this brown shade over here in a blending brush, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease to just give a little bit of definition. I feel that color blends out well as well. I'm really happy, you guys. I really like the way this makeup challenge and this review is going, because I was afraid these shades are not gonna do good because after the first color that I applied, I was like, oh, what's happening right now? Okay, so now let us move on to Saturn over here. It's a beautiful shade as well. Oh my gosh, I love every single shade in this palette. Look at how beautiful that Saturn shade is. It's matte, but it's so soft. It just glides on super easily. So I'm gonna take that shade and give a more definition to the outer corner of my eye. So applying it right over here. Taking a bigger fluffy brush and kind of blending everything out together just on my crease. Let's take Lucid over here, and I'm gonna pop that on my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. I have 6 more colors to play with, you guys. 7! I don't know if I can do this. This is scary. Let's take the shade Eternal over here and apply that between the gold and the green. That fits perfectly over there actually. Thank the bloody lords. I have this dimension over here that I have no idea where to apply. So I think I'm gonna apply this shade right between the purple and the green. Let's see how that goes. Doesn't really show much, but it's on there. I'm gonna take this shade Unity and apply that in the inner corner of my eyes to kind of just clean out the edges. So I'm just gonna apply some kohl. Not bringing this kohl all the way to the inner corner of my eyes, kind of stopping in the center. Let's take Parental over here. It's a nice brown and smoke that on the outer corner of my eyes. I feel like so far all the colors have worked so beautifully. Really, really nicely. I love it. Oh wow, all the names in this palette so hard to pronounce. Lieu. Am I saying it in a French way or English? I don't know. I don't even know. I feel like staying in France, I kind of forget my English. And I'm applying that right over here. More in the inner corner. I kind of want to draw a winged outliner with this look. So let's do that. I kind of want to do a Arabic wing in the lower. I have no idea how to explain this part, you guys, so I'm really sorry, but I'm just kind of drawing a line, like kind of like that. And now let's take this yellow shade over here and I'm gonna apply that between the two black lines. Well, why am I not seeing anything? Okay, so this shade right over here is not pigmented at all. It's like powder, it's like disappearing. So let's take the final color, you guys, this black over here, and I'm gonna apply that black shade over the black eyeliner, kind of smoking it out and connecting to my lash line. So I'm also gonna apply this black shade right above my eyeliner to kind of smoothen the eyeliner, you know? Okay, let's clean up these fallouts real quickly. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the face. I'm gonna be taking my Shade and Light palette and I'm gonna contour my face with this middle shade right over here. I really want a nice strong contour. So let's talk about this palette for a second while I'm doing my contouring. So what I think about this palette is I think it's an amazing palette. First of all, I feel like the colors blend out like a dream, apart from two colors, which is the yellow shade and the first shade that I've applied. Apart from that, everything else blended out so well. I feel like the color payoff is much better applying the shimmery shades with your fingers, but that's really normal with glitter eyeshadows. I'm a big fan of this palette, definitely, it goes without saying. I feel like what you pay is what you get, and I think this palette is definitely worth all the money. So as you guys can see, I used up all the colors in this palette in a fun, challenging way to show you guys exactly how each and every color works, and they work really amazing. I have nothing to complain about. I love the packaging, I love the color. Apart from those two difficult shades, everything else is beautiful. Let's move on to the blush. I'm gonna be taking Coral Easter. This is from Benefit. And if you guys want to see more looks from this Prism palette, do let me know because I would love to create more looks for you guys. Moving on to the highlighter, I'm using my Urban Decay Afterglow Sin highlighter. I also purchased this highlighter along with my Anastasia palette. Beautiful, beautiful highlighter, and it stays up to 8 hours, you guys. 8 freaking hours. I don't know how it does it, but it does amazing. I wore it last Saturday, went out all night long, and it was glowing. Look at that glow. Oh, to die for. All the names of the product that I used today will be mentioned in the description box below. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys can check that out. Let's move on to the lips quickly. I don't want to do anything crazy as my eye is hella crazy. So I'm just going to take Mare from MAC Cosmetics. Apply that really lightly. I'm literally removing off the excess shade from my fingers because I really want it to be super natural. I also bought this Fenty Beauty mini lip gloss from my purchase that I made in Sephora the other day. It also came in with this small highlighter, you guys. I am dying. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you know what? I completely forgot to do my mascara. Like, what in the world is going on? So I'm gonna hit up my lashes with some of my matte mascara. This is from Marc Jacobs. How silly of me. Oh my gosh. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty eyelashes. Okay, so the lashes are on, and now I can tell you guys that we're in the end of this review slash challenge slash tutorial. I have not done a crazy eye makeup look like this in such a long time, and this was the perfect time to do it. If you guys want to see more tutorial on my Prism palette, do not hesitate to let me know on the comment section below, and that way I can do it for you guys because I love this palette. This is definitely Sheila approved. Do not forget to smack this video with a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit that notification bell below, that way you do not miss any more videos that I put out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!